Welcome back, dedicated entrepreneurs gearing up for your next big pitch. Today, we're focusing on a crucial step in your journey, the pitch deck checklist before you present. Let's ensure your pitch deck isn't just ready, but primed to make a lasting impression. Start by revisiting your value proposition. Is it crystal clear and compelling? Your unique value should shine through, capturing the essence of your startup's potential impact. Next, examine the problem and solution you're presenting. Ensure they're defined with precision, making the necessity of your solution undeniable to your audience. Dive into your market analysis. Validate your understanding of the market with solid data and research, demonstrating not just the opportunity, but also your deep market insight. Review your business model thoroughly. It should outline clearly how you plan to make money, reassuring investors of your startup's financial viability. Reflect on the storytelling aspect. Does your pitch deck take the audience on an engaging journey that highlights not just the what, but the why and the how of your startup? Check the design elements. A visually appealing deck can significantly enhance your message's impact. Ensure consistency, clarity, and that each visual supports your narrative. If you have traction, make it known. Showcasing growth, revenue, or user engagement can serve as powerful proof of your startup's potential and momentum. Don't forget to spotlight your team. The right team is often as important as the idea itself. Highlight the expertise and passion driving your startup forward. Ensure your financial projections are realistic and backed by data. This demonstrates foresight and planning, key qualities investors look for. Conclude with a clear call to action. What exactly are you asking from your investors? Make it easy for them to say yes. And finally, rehearse, rehearse, rehearse. Your familiarity with the deck and your confidence in delivering it can make all the difference. By meticulously reviewing your pitch deck against this checklist, you're not just preparing a presentation, you're setting the stage for success. Remember, preparation is the key to confidence, and confidence is the key to persuasion. Now, I'm eager to hear from you. How do you prep your pitch deck for the spotlight? Share your strategies and let's inspire each other to greatness.